In this video, you will learn how to fix the shift lock not working in Roblox. First things first, launch any game within Roblox. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen for the Roblox icon. Click on that icon. This action will bring up a menu with various options. In this menu, find and click on Settings. Look for an option labeled Shift Lock Switch. Make sure to enable this option by clicking it. This step is crucial as it allows you to use Shift Lock during gameplay. Next, still in the Settings menu, locate Movement Mode. It's important to set this to keyboard plus mouse. After adjusting these settings, resume your game and check if Shift Lock is now functioning properly. If enabling Shift Lock didn't resolve the issue, don't worry. There are additional steps you can take. First, move your mouse cursor down to the Windows icon located at the bottom center of your taskbar. Right-click on this icon and select Settings from the context menu. You'll see several options listed on the left side of your screen. Click on Gaming, then proceed to click on Game Bar. Look for an option that says Allow your controller to open Game Bar. Make sure to toggle off this switch. Now that those adjustments have been made, it's time for one last step: restart your desktop or laptop. A fresh start often resolves lingering issues like these. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.